Welcome back to our channel. Here at Shalom Auto and Body, we got another build for you. And just to give us a little backstory, we've been in the business for over 15 years. Custom repair shops, but also a custom auto body shop. Now, we're starting up a YouTube channel, so if you'd like to click that button to subscribe as we start to grow this channel, we'd appreciate it. Today we got one of a kind build. This is a daily commuter. Something that's probably overlooked as you've seen on other channels. You see Porsches, you see Ferraris, you see Mustangs, you see all those things. But you don't really see this. You see this more on the highway with the commuting back and forth to work. We're gonna take this to the next level. So this is the parts list that we just started to collect. We have a set of tires that are going on here. We're waiting for the rims to come in. We're gonna do new headlights, new fender, new rear bumper, body kit, side and side skirts to go around. Nothing too extensive, but I think the color of the car once it's done will really make it pop. So if you see here, we got a lot of mock-up spots that we're gonna have to repair. Looks like this was previously repaired, but it is cracked and came off. We have a new bumper cover coming on here, and it's gonna continue with a lip kit that goes around to the side skirts. There's a big dent right here that we're going to have to pull out, all of which we'll show you on our channel as we do it. The interiors already has a custom red, which is pretty cool. A few rust spots. That's a part of the fender. Oh, that's bad. Damage. It does come with a Honda grille. These cars are known as Honda Superiors over in Japan. So someone's already upgraded the grille and the lip. But once we're done, it's gonna look totally different. Stay tuned. So obviously you see we have a rust spot here. There's some drain lines that come in down here, and if you don't get these cleaned out, back in here it'll accumulate. This car actually had some ants in it, and we actually found out, as you can see down there, that where that rust spot came from, all those ants that created that nest down inside there. So it's a good thing we're getting a new fender on here, and we'll get it all cleaned out.
What the hell? You got extra passengers.
Oh my goodness, that's extra weight.
Weight reduction. I know. Off with the door.
Alright, so that ends the first episode of the Acura TSX build. Stay tuned for our next episode as we go through all the body work that we pointed out in the first video, repairing it, getting the car sanded down, all the imperfections worked out of it, adding lip kits all the way around, getting it molded in, and getting it finally painted with that rare color that we've discussed that we'll reveal to you shortly.